Hey everybody, this is Candace Lawrence from kimandcandace.com, and we are opening and starting a new feature, and it's called Empowerment Forum. We have been in business for 25 years, and over that 25 years we have heard some dandy stories. And you know, as we understand, as the insurance industry and the medical community shortens their visit times and the whole insurance quagmire, a lot of things we find are kind of getting pushed by the wayside. And being in alternative medicine or complementary medicine, we kind of see people after they've been through the medical quagmire, and we feel it's really important for all of our patients and everyone that will see this video to start being your own advocate with us to help you, give you some with anecdotal reviews, people that we've talked with, research that we know is out there, any sort of things to help you be more conscientious, more informed consumers so that you can be in charge of your health. So here's our first story. I had a patient, she came in, new patient, and I was asking her some of the details and some of the things that she was on, and she was telling me that she has been on a hormone replacement therapy, not bioidentical, but hormone replacement since 2003. This is 2019, and no doctor in all the doctors that she's been to in that time have ever checked, done a blood test, saliva test, nothing. No one has ever checked to see if this woman's, her estrogens were too high, if her progesterones were too low, if everything was way out of whack. No one has ever checked. So this is our first request and our first help video, saying when you go to the doctor and you think that something might be, like you might need to question it, please do. And we are here to help you. If you want to send some things in or emails into us, look at our links below to contact us, because we want everyone to be in this give and take kind of situation and say, hey, this is what I heard, hey, this is what I heard, and to say, okay, this is working really well, or this really isn't working well. So if you're out there and you've either been taking a medication for so many years and no one's ever ordered a blood test for you, or if you've been on hormone replacement therapy for an extended period of time and no one's ever checked your levels, this is one of the things that we want to help you be advocates for your own health. And we encourage you to look at some of these things and step up to the plate, and we will help you. We will answer any questions that you need, and we're here to create this empowerment of all of us so that we can all get back our vitality and make ourselves incredible, healthy individuals. So I hope this really helps you out today, and if you want to subscribe to our channel, that would be awesome. If you want to send us an email, that would also be great. Candace Lawrence, kimandcandace.com. Take care.